boys and girls, Miss Gemma here. How are you today? In today's lesson we're going to talk about division, but in particular factors. So let's remind ourselves, what is division? Division is the process of splitting a whole into equal parts or groups. So an example, if I have 10 bananas and I want to share them with my friend, how many will we each get? Okay, so there's two of us, there's me and my friend, and we have 10 bananas. So I need to divide the 10 bananas by 2. So how many 2s are in 10? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 5. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So how are division and multiplication linked? So division is the inverse operation of multiplication, meaning one operation has the reversed effect on the other. So example of this. So firstly, 50 divided by 5. How many is that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 equals 10. The inverse operation, which is multiplication, tells me that 5 times 10 also equals 50. So what are factors? In multiplication, the numbers you multiply are called factors. The answer is called the product. And in division, the number being divided is the dividend, and the number that divides it is called the divisor, and the answer is called the quotient. Okay, let's work our way through these questions. Okay, so our first one is 25 divided by 5 equals something, which then equals something, so the same answer, times 5 equals 25. So it's just the inverse operation. Okay, so how many 5s are in 25? That's an easy one, we can do that one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5, which means that 5 times 5 equals 25. Let's go to the next one. 16 divided by 2 equals what? So how many 2s are in 16? Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8. Which means if I've got 8 times 2, it must be 16. Okay, our next one, 48 divided by 12. Okay, so we need to count by 12s to get to 48. Okay, so we've got 12, 24, 36, 48. So it's 4. Which means if I have 4 times 12, it equals 48. Okay, 32 divided by 8 equals, let's find out. So 8, counting by 8s to get to 32. So 8, 16, 24, 32. It's 4 again. Which means if I have 4 times 8, it equals 32. Okay, and our last one is 72 divided by 9 equals what? Okay, so I get mixed up with the 9, so I need to write this down. Okay, so let's count by 9s. So we've got 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, need to get to 72, 63, 72. So how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 72 divided by 9 equals 8, which means 8 times 9 equals 72. the inverse operations of division and multiplication. The worksheet for this lesson, boys and girls, gives you the opportunity to practice using the factors to solve the division questions. Boys and girls, I'm so happy for you. You are doing a wonderful job. Now that you know a bit more about division and using factors to help, your next lesson could be to use that knowledge to help you understand division questions with the remainders. I think that means there are leftovers. I'm not sure. Maybe you should come and join me and find out more. Hey boys and girls, this is Miss Gemma. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button under me and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram pages to stay up to date on everything we post. So boys and girls, I will see you in our next lesson.